Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Poly Voyager Focus 2 headset to your computer. We'll cover two main methods, using the dedicated BT700 USB adapter and direct Bluetooth pairing. This guide will help you achieve clear audio and reliable microphone functionality for all your calls and meetings. Let's get started with the first connection method. The easiest way to connect your Voyager Focus 2 is with the included BT700 USB adapter. Simply plug the adapter into any available USB-A or USB-C port on your computer. The adapter and headset are pre-paired, so they should connect automatically within a few seconds. Look for a solid blue light on the adapter and headset to confirm a successful connection. Then, select the BT700 as your default audio device. If you prefer not to use the USB adapter, you can connect your Voyager Focus 2 directly via Bluetooth. First, slide and hold the power switch on your headset to the Bluetooth icon until you hear pairing and the LED flashes red and blue. Next, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, search for New Devices, and select Poly Voyager Focus 2. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone. After connecting, it's crucial to optimize your computer's audio settings. Go to your sound settings and ensure the Poly Voyager Focus 2 is selected for both playback and recording. Adjust the microphone input level to about 75% for optimal clarity. Always perform a quick audio and microphone test before joining any important meetings. Regularly updating your headset's firmware also ensures peak performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.